Hello everyone. Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you. Please let me know if you are able to hear me. And everyone, please join soon. So let me know if you're able to hear me. So today we are going to solve a TCS NQT actual question asked. And here we will be solving it live. I mean, first you will solve, and then I will be solving behalf of all of you, right? Okay, so come soon and please let me know if you are able to hear me. Okay, so am I audible? So am I audible? So please put a comment. Okay, so basically, okay, thank you, Siratun. So basically, today we are going to solve TCS NQT or Smart Hiring aptitude question, and all will be like actual question which has been asked in the examination. So you can see all the questions has been asked in the TCS examination. You can also see the screenshot here, right? Okay, so we are going to solve more than 20 question, and we will be having a very much live experience today. Please like the video and do share with your friends. Ask your friends to come and attend, because today's session will be very interesting, trust me. So we have lot more question to discuss, and all the questions will be very good questions. So please do like the session and share with your friends. Okay, fine. So let us start with question number one, and let us see how many of you are able to solve the question. So let me start the timer here. So your timer starts now. So can you solve and tell me the answer within 1 minute? So please solve the question and tell me the answer within 1 minute. So the timer is here. So if P is equals to a square root of 6 minus a square root of 5, and Q is equals to a square root of 10 plus a square root of 3, then what is the value of P square plus Q square divided by 6? Okay. So let me know your answers. Anyone? So this has been asked in the TCS NQT examination, as you can see here, right? Okay. So this question is very simple. You try to solve, at least you try to attempt within 1 minute. We have to solve the question, right? So we have another 30 seconds to solve. Come on. Okay, so I have not received any answer here. Okay, now let us see option 4. So Pawan has given option 4. Now let us see. Okay, so if P is equals to a square root of 6 minus a square root of 5 and Q is this, then P square plus Q square divided by 6. P square plus Q square divided by 6. Now, so what is P? P is a square root of 6 minus a square root of 5, and you have to make a square of this, right? P square. So square root of 6 square, a minus b square, plus square root of 5 square minus 2 square root of 6 into a square root of 5 plus q square. Q is what? Square root of 10 plus a square root of 3. So square root of 10 square plus a square root of 3 square and plus 2 square root of 10 into a square root of 3, and then divided by 6. Okay, now, so friends, if you are making square of, right, so a square root of 6, that means, see, a square root is what? A square root you can write 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 into 2, you can write 6. Okay. If you are making square of a square root, then with this will get cancelled. So a square root of 6 square 6 plus 5 minus 2. 6 into 5 is 30. 2 root 30 plus square root of 10, 10. And square root of 3 square 3 plus 2 root 10 into 3, 30 divided by 6. Now this and this cancelled. 11 plus 13, 24 by 6, it will be 4. So 4 will be the correct answer, right? So 4 will be the correct answer, not 6. Option D will be the correct answer, right? See, this question will take less than 1 minute. This question will take less than 1 minute. Okay. See, I will tell you once more here. Please try to understand. Please try to see. So you have to find out P square. That means this square. So A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square and minus 2AB, 6 into 5, 30 plus q square, a square 10, b square 3, and plus 2ab, 10 into 3 30. This and this cancelled. 11 plus 13 24, 24 by 6 4. That's all. Option D. So the problem is very very easy. The only thing is you need to understand or you need to attempt. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear? So first you start. See, when you start solving a question, when you write down the data, 50% of the question is solved there itself. Okay. So when you write down the data, 50% of the question is solved there itself. And then what you have to do, then you just have to simplify. Now let us move to the question number 2. Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? And now I am going to start the timer here. Okay. Now I am going to start the timer here. So this problem is also again very very simple. So this is again a simple question. Please try to solve it and invite your friends. Please invite your friends so that they will be also able to utilize this session. Do like the classes. Do like the video, friends. Please like the session if you think it is useful. Now, which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? Right? So the timer is started. Now I will give you hints. Please square both the values. Please square both the values. Option C. So army lover has mentioned option C is the correct answer, right? Okay. Which of the following is true? Please square both of these values. Please square both of these values. Please square both of these values. The time ends now here. Which of the following is true? Now what I'm going to do, so I have this value and I have this value. So I will make a square of this. So a square root of 5 plus a square root of 3. So this square I will make, okay? And then a square root of 6 plus a square root of 2, I will make a square. Friends, please try to understand. If you have 4 and 2, right? So 4 is greater than 2. Now if you'll square both, right? So if you'll square both, then also this value, the left side value which is greater, even a square will be also greater. If you'll make a cube, then also the cube will be only greater because this value is bigger. So I am making a square. So 5 square, a square plus b square, square root of 5 square. Square root of 5 square is what? 5. Don't write 25, right? See, a square root of 5 square, if you'll make a square of this, then if you'll make a square, then a square and this 2 will get cancelled. You will be having only 5. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2, 5 into 3 is what? 15. So 2 root 15. Okay, then here a square 6 plus b square will be what? 2 plus 2ab. So 2 root 12. Now this will become 8 plus 2 root 15 and this will become 8 plus 2 root 12. Now it is very much clear that a square root of 5 plus a square root of 3, a square root of 5 plus a square root of 3 is greater than a square root of 6 plus a square root of 2, right? So your option A will be the correct answer. Do you think this problem is tough? Do you think this problem is tough? No, not at all. No, not at all. Not at all. This problem is not tough. The only thing is you don't know how to solve, right? You don't know how to solve this question. That's all. Because you have not attempted this kind of question before, many of you will leave. But trust me, friends, this question will take less than 1 minute. This question will take less than 1 minute. Now let us see how it will take less than 1 minute. See, as I said, so you have to make a square of this. So this is 5 square, a square, 5 square, b square. So square root of 3 square. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2 root 15. And here square root of 6 square, 6. Square root of 2 square, 2. And plus 2 root 12. 2 root 12. That's all. So 8 plus 2 root 12. Definitely this is greater. That's all. You have to tick and come back from the examination, right? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Please do like the session. So like the session fast. Like the session fast, friends. Like the session. We put really lot of effort for you all. Okay, fine. Now, next. Which among the following has the least value? So this is a question asked in the TCS NQT examination. all the problems which we are going to solve has been asked in the TCS examination itself. So just a minute, I will start the timer here. Where is the timer? Okay, now so your timer starts now. So let us see how many of you are able to solve. Which one among the following has the least value? So which one among the following has the least value? I will give you the hints. Please rationalize and solve. So please rationalize and solve. So please rationalize and then solve. Okay. So now you have to rationalize here. Okay, that means you have to multiply and divide by the plus values. That means you have to multiply and divide by the plus values. Somebody has answered option C. Okay, let us see what is the correct answer. Don't forget to like the session. So the timer is going fast. All this question can be solved within 1 minute, as I said. Okay, so I hope I'm visible to you. Okay, audible. Now the timer gone. Okay. So now timer is gone. Fine. So which of the following has the least value? So we will try to rationalize. So let us understand what is a rationalization. So that also I will tell you. Okay. Many of you have given option C. So we have, okay, so just a minute. Okay. So we have option A, square root of 75 minus a square root of 74, right? Okay. So we are going to rationalize. So what we will do? So we will multiply and divide by the same value by just by changing the sign. Okay. Just by changing the sign, we will multiply and we will divide by the same value, right? Okay. Now, so here you see A minus B and here A plus B. So A minus B into A plus B, A minus B into A plus B will be A square minus B square, right? So here square root of 75 square minus square root of 74 square, right? Okay. And divided by square root of 75 plus square root of 74, right? So this is 75 minus 74 and divided by square root of 75 plus square root of 74. So it will be 1 divided by 75 plus 74. See, this question will take less than 1 minute, but let me first explain to you. Okay. Now, so the A option we rationalized and we got 1 divided by square root of 75 plus a square root of 74. Now, B option, oh, we are going to rationalize. So a square root of 74 minus a square root of 73. Same way we will do. So we will get here a square root of 74 plus a square root of 73. Now C option. So 1 divided by square root of 77 plus a square root of 76. And now D option, once we will rationalize, because see 75, 74, 74, 73, 77, 76, 76, and then 75, right? Okay, now so you could see, so this is denominator, right? So denominator has the bigger value. Denominator has the bigger value, so this will become the least, right? See, if we have 1 by 2 and if we have 1 by 4, which one is least? So definitely this one is least because the denominator is bigger. 1 by 2 is 0.5 and 1 by 4 is 0.25, right? So if the denominator is big, see here 75 plus 74, 74 plus 73, 76 plus 75, but here it is 76 plus 77. So option C will be the least value, right? So option C will be the least value, not visible. So just a minute. A screen is not visible. Oh, it should be visible now. Now it is visible. It is visible for me. It is visible here. Please check. Check again. Please check again. It is visible. Okay, very good. So is it clear for everyone, guys? See, it is clear for everyone. So now you understood how to rationalize, right? So now you understood how to rationalize. So it is very, very simple. So this question, as I said, you could have done in less than 1 minute, right? So here you can write directly 1 by 75 plus 1 by 74. And like this, you could have easily solved. Option C will be the correct answer, right? Okay. So this question clear, right? So this question is clear to everyone? Clear to everyone this question, right? Okay. Now next problem. So please like the session. Please like the session and invite your friends. So invite your friends. Please do like the session and invite your friend. Okay. Now, so question number 4. It's a very interesting question. It's a very interesting question from profit and loss. So it is a very interesting question from profit and loss. So let me start the timer first. Okay. So the timer starts now. So we have another 59 seconds, 57 seconds. Come on, you have got 1 minute. It's a very interesting and very simple question. After purchasing two copies of the same book, X sold them respectively at zero point 0.8 and 1.4 times their cost price. So Subham has already given the answer. Very good, Subham. What was the percentage gain earned or loss incurred by X? Option 3. Sarmila has told option 3 is the correct answer. Very good. So Subham and Sarmila has. What about other people? Please try to solve. This is an easy problem. So what you do, see, when your option is given in terms of percentage, then you can assume any value and solve. No? If your option is given in terms of percentage, then you can assume any value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 2000, 3000, anything you can take and do, right? Okay. So now here the timer is stopped, right? Okay, fine. Let us see. So after purchasing two copies of the same book, very good, Rahul. Okay, so suppose uh, book one price is 10 rupees, book two price is 10 rupees, okay? Or you can also assume 100 rupees. Sir, why you are assuming whatever you want, okay? See, book one price I assumed 100, book two price because both of the price is same. After purchasing two copies of the same book is there, that means the price is same. Now sir, why did you assume 100 rupees? Friends, you can assume any value and solve if your option is given in terms of percentage, and this is what I wanted to tell you from the long time. In my every session I tell you, okay? Now so this is the cost price. Total cost price is what? 200 rupees, right? Book 100 rupees, book 200 rupees. Now what they're telling in the question, X sold them respectively at zero point 0.8, right? And 1.4 times their cost price. Now, so X sold them at zero point 0.8 times and then 1.4 times. So this will be 80 and this will be 140. So now the total selling price is 220 rupees. Now the total selling price is 220 rupees. Now one thing which you have to keep in mind, okay? See, if you are calculating percentage profit or percentage loss on 100, then it is very very easy. So what I will do, both of them I will divide by 2. So 2, if I will divide, it will become 100 and it will become 110. And then I can directly say, sir, the profit I could see 10% of the gain, 10% of the profit. So option 3 will become the correct answer. Always remember, see, if your cost price is 100 and if your selling price is 112.5, okay, then you can say, sir, the profit is 12.5%. If your base is 100, then you can directly tell. So here it was 200. See, many of you will use the formula, right? So cost price is this and the selling price is this. So profit is 20 rupees divided by cost price in 200. Then also, my dear friends, you are going to get the same answer. So just try to make the problem simpler as much as possible in the examination, okay? So just try to make the problem simpler as much as simple in the examination. Is it clear? Again, this question, which is a TCS NQT question, could have been easily solved within 1 minute, right? So 100 and 100, so this will become 80 and this will become 140. So 200 there I have assumed, 220 here. So basically, so 100 and this is 110 and 10% gain. That means option 3 is the correct answer. And now tell me, is it clear for you or not? Okay, tell me, is it clear for you or not? All the questions almost we are able to solve within 1 minute of time. So let me know if it is clear for you or not. Please comment everyone, and do like the session if you think it's you are able to understand. Okay, fine. Now question number 5, And again, I'm going to start the timer here. Okay, so let us see who is able to solve, right? Okay, come on guys. So I'm expecting answers from all of you. So come on everyone, I'm expecting answers from all of you. So a business lady bought 400 handbags. She sold 100 of them at a profit of 20% and at and the rest at 10% profit. Find the overall profit percentage. Okay, again, the options are given in terms of percentage. So the problem is very, very easy for you. You can assume whatever value you want and then you can solve it. Okay, come on. I'm not able to see any answer. Come on fast. So you have another 15 seconds to solve. So a business lady bought 400 handbags. She sold 100 of them at a profit of 20%, so 120 rupees. Rest 10%. So 120 and rest is 300. So 300 10% is 30. So 330. 330 plus 120, 450. 400 and 450. That means it will be around 12.5% profit. You could have easily solved in the mind itself. Okay. So you could have easily solved in the mind. Now let us see. So a business lady bought 400 handbags. Total is 400. Okay. Now, so suppose each bag price is 1 rupees. Sir, have you gone mad? Whatever you want, you are assuming. Why you are not assuming X, Y, and Z? Friends, always remember, whenever you will bring X, either in mathematics or in your real life, So whenever you will bring X, it will automatically things will automatically become complicated. Okay. So 400 handbags, right? So 100 and 300 I am writing, okay, because 100 of them she is selling at a profit of 20%. So this is suppose cost price, right? 400 bags. So 100 bag 100 rupees, 300 bag 300 rupees. That means 400 total. Okay. Now 100 bags he is selling at 20% profit. 20% profit means what? 120 rupees. That's all. 100 rupees bought and 20% profit. That means 120. And now rest of the bag, that means 300 of the bag at 10% profit. So 300 10% if you calculate, my dear friends, so it will be nothing but 30 rupees. So from 300 450, total will be 405 50 rupees. Now if we have to calculate percentage, it is very, very clear. So try to make this base 100. Okay, try to make this base 100, divide by 4. So it is 100, try to make it divide by 4. So 4 1 ja 4, 12 4 ja 48, and divided by and 5 here. Now if we'll see what is the profit percentage, 12.5 percentage, 12.5 percentage, and that's all. It is very, very clear. That's sorry, option B, right? So already option B is marked 12.5 percentage. It is very, very clear. That's all, right? So thank you guys. And Rahul, Sarmila, Venkat, Hari Prasad, Moni, so all of you guys is solved it correctly. Yes, X is very dangerous. So everywhere X is dangerous. So please don't use X or use less as much as possible. Okay. So fine. The next problem is really a very good problem. And this kind of problems basically will be asked in TCS NQT examination. So you can expect this certain kind of problem in your exam. Don't go. We have lot more problems to cover. Practice problem also are there. So please don't go. Watch till the end. And the last problem will be very, very tough. Okay. Last problem will be very, very tough. Thanks, Ankur. So even I have come live after a long time, and there are many who are my old student. So thanks a lot for all your love and support. Okay. So nowadays I'm not feeling very much well, and that's the reason the classes, I'm not able to take or not able to do many videos. Yeah. So come on. Question number 6. Let us see who solves. So come on, let us see who solves. The price of a commodity is reduced by 40%. Okay. But its consumption is increased by 35%. Now, what percent of the consumption should be increased so as to keep the same expenditure as before? Now, So again, in this question, the options are given in terms of percentage. If your options are given in terms of percentage, then you know you can assume any value, right? You do not need to assume X. Okay. Thanks, Ram Shekhar. So we will do multiple live sessions. So no need to worry now. So you have another 8 seconds. Come on. C, D. So Sarmila is telling C, Sonu is telling D. Fine. So the price of a commodity is reduced by 40%, but its consumption is increased by 35%. Option is given in terms of percentage, right? Option is given in terms of percentage, then that's all. We can assume, we can assume any value which we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15, 80, 90, 100, whatever you want, you can assume. No problem. Now, so let us try to understand a bit here. Suppose, suppose you wanted to eat sugar, okay, or rice. Now suppose the rice price is 10 rupees per kg, okay, and then you are buying 10 kg. So 10 rupees per kg, I will write here. Here I will write when 1 second. So let me write here 10 rupees, 10 rupees per kg, okay. So rice price is 10 rupees per kg and you are buying 10 kg, right? Okay. So what is the total value here? 100. That means on rice, how much you are spending? Sir, whole family eats 10 kg and 1 kg price is 10 rupees. So we are spending 100 rupees on the rice. But something happened. What happened? The price of a commodity is reduced by 40%. Now, the price is reduced by 40%. So what is the 40% of 10? 4 rupees. What is the 40% of 10? So it is nothing but 4 rupees. So now the price is reduced, right, by 4 rupees, right? 40% reduced, that means 4 rupees. So if 4 rupees will reduce, then the price of the rice will become 6 rupees per kg. Okay, fine, no issues. And then if consumption is increased by 35%, so now we are going to consume 35% more. So what will be the consumption of, now what will be the consumption? So 35% of 10, so 35% of 10 will be, it is 35 by 10, so 3.5, 3.5. Sir, it is 3.5. Okay, so it is 3.5. So earlier it was 10 and now it is increased by 3.5, that means 13.5. See, all these calculations, no, you should do in mind, because there are many people here who are watching for the first time. So I am doing step by step, otherwise you have to do it manually. Now what is the expenditure? So 6 into 13.5, 6 5 are 30, and 78 plus 3 will be 81. So now the total expenditure is 81 rupees. But they are telling, I don't want expenditure 81. I want to keep the same expenditure. Means I don't want to keep it 81. I want to keep it 100. That means what is the difference? So please increase 19 more. From where you have to increase? From 81 you have to make it 100. Okay, and you have to calculate the percentage, means multiply by 100, and then here you will be getting 20. Sorry, so it might not be visible to you. So from 81 again you want to make it 100. So what is the difference? Difference is 19. Difference is 19, right? Okay, and then from which value you want to make 181 and multiply by 100. So option 23.5 will come. Okay, so option D will become the correct answer for this particular question. Now if anybody is having any doubt, please let me know. Okay, so this is the whole idea behind solving this question. Okay, so option D, Rohit Yadav, very good. Subham Gupta, very good. Sobik, very good. So many of you have already answered. Is it clear for everyone, guys? Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt anyone is having? If not, yes. So Rakesh, for TCS smart hiring, it is very, very important. Okay. So is it clear for everyone, or anyone is having any doubt? If no doubt, then do like the session, friends, fast. So do like the session fast. So one like, one like. if you feel the session is being useful. Okay, now next problem I want you to solve. So the next problem I want you to solve, the timer starts now, and let us see who all are solved. If the price of a commodity is decreases by 40%, but its consumption is increased by 30%, then what will be the percentage increase or decrease in the expenditure of the commodity? Okay, so Amitava Ghosh. So basically from in the last problem, no, from 81 we had to make it 100. See, earlier the expenditure was 100 rupees. Now the expenditure is, right. So now the expenditure is 81 rupees. So from 81 again we have to go to the 100. So 19 is a difference divided by 81 into 100. That's all. That is what is a percentage. Okay. So okay, I'll explain you once more. Don't worry. I'll explain you once more. Don't worry. Option A. Subham Gupta is telling option A. Okay. And okay. No timer. Timer will not be there in the exam. Now let us see this problem. So if the price of a commodity is decreased by 40%. So earlier, suppose the sugar price is 10 rupees per kg and you are having 10 kg sugar per month. So your expenditure is total 100 rupees. Okay. Now, so if the price of a commodity is decreased by 40%, 40% decrement. So 40% of 10 is 4. That means now the price will become 6 rupees per kg. Okay, fine. And consumption is increased by 30%. 30% of 10 is 3 rupees. So 10 plus 3 will become 30. Now your consumption is 13 kg. Okay, fine. So 6 into 13, 78. Okay, 6 into 70, 13, 78. Now, what will be the percentage increase or decrease in the expenditure of commodity? You can see here 22%. Why 22% directly you said? Because your base is 100. So you can say earlier the expenditure was 100 rupees and now the expenditure is 78 rupees. That means 22% decrement is there because your base was 100. So you easily solved. Now, friends, I am telling you every time, you do not have to assume X, Y, Z and P, Q, R in the exam and then solve. Otherwise, it will take lot of time for you to solve, right? So this is a easiest way. This is a trick for, for you to solve the question. Now, in the previous problem, so in the previous question, if you'll see, I will try to, many of you have doubt. So I'll just go back and I will tell. Okay. So I will just go back and I will explain you. So basically, friends, in the previous question, they said, right? So, okay, fine. Now, so in the previous problem, they said the commodity price is reduced by 40%, so it became 6, and consumption is increased by 35%, so it became 13.5. When we multiplied, it became 81. This question is different. Here they are telling, okay, so here they are telling what percentage of the consumption should be increased so that to keep the same expenditure as before. So we have to keep the same expenditure. Now the expenditure is 81 rupees. He wanted to spend 100 rupees only. Okay, he does not want to spend less. Now, so how much money more he has to spend? 19 rupees he has to more spend. Okay, now from where we have to increase? From 81 rupees we have to increase. Okay, into 100. Now if you'll solve, it will be 23.5. Now you tell me question number 6. Okay, now you tell me question number 6 and 6.1 is clear or not? Is clear or not? So very good, Saranya, Yashar, Vans Gupta. Okay, Era Sandeep, Mahesh, Sharmila. So that's very good. Okay. So now tell me if both the problem is clear to you or not. And if it is clear, don't forget to like the session. Okay. So don't forget to like the session, friends. It takes a lot of effort, in teaching. So you might prepare the question and then shout so much. Okay. Chalo, next question. So next question is This is again a TCS question. Okay, so this is again a TCS question and your time starts now. So please solve and tell me the answer. Govind, I will make a different video for the exam pattern tomorrow. Okay, so one video tomorrow I'll make for your exam pattern. Okay, so don't worry, please wait and enjoy this session. So tomorrow one complete video I will make on, you know, uh, TCS NQT again and one smart hiring combinedly. So tomorrow definitely you will get one video. Okay, so now you have another 14 seconds, 13, 12. I have not got even a single answer. B49, Subham Gupta, very good. The daily beat, yes, B option, very much correct. Okay, Sarmila, yes, right, very good. Your time is done now. Now, so a number, okay. So and then who has solved? Okay, Anil, very good. Sonu, no, Sonu, your answer is wrong. So a number 452 P 36 is such that it is divisible by 36. Okay, what can be what can the value of P square be? So we have to find out the value of P square now. So this is a question from number system. Okay, so this is a question from number system, so please try to understand. If a number is divisible by 36, then that number will be also divisible by its factor. Now, so I am taking 4 and 9. Sir, why? What is your problem? So I have seen in any question you will assume whatever you want. No, it's not like that. Because the divisibility rule of 4 and the divisibility rule of 9 is very, very easy. Yes. So now, what is the divisibility rule of 9? See, for your understanding, I would like to tell you this question can be solved just in mind. 4, 5, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 3 is 14, 20. So here it will come P is equals to 7. 7 square is 49. So option B will be the correct answer. Okay. Now, okay. So now divisibility rule. So already I have told you the answer, but let us see. So divisibility rule. So if a number is divisible by 4, then last two digit you check. So last two digit, so last two digits should be divisible by 4. So here 36, yes, 36 is divisible by 4. So this particular number is divisible by 4. Now I have to check for 9. So if a number is divisible by 9, then the sum of number should be divisible by 9. Now, so I will add this 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus P. Okay, fine. So this is 4 plus 9, 5, 9, 11, 14, 20. 20 plus P by 9. Now what value of P I should keep here so that it will be divisible by 9? Sir, it is very, very clear, 7. So if you put P is 7, then 9 threes are, it will be completely divisible. So P value is 7 and then P square will be 49, and here option B will become the correct answer. That's all. So this is a very easy problem for you to solve in the examination. So 30-second will be also very, very tough. Okay, so if you take if you take if you take 6 6, okay, then again you'll have to take 2 3. So see, 4 and 9 will be very, very easy for you to solve any question, okay, in number system. Okay, so in number system, so that's the reason we don't take any other factor of this. Okay, so that's the reason we don't take any other factor of this, because again we will go into the same loop. Okay, fine. Now question number 8. So question number 8 is very interesting. Is this question clear to everyone? So is this question clear to everyone? Is this question clear to everyone? Is this question clear to everyone? Please comment. Please comment and don't forget to like the session. Calci is allowed. So calculator was allowed. So now we have to see calculator is allowed or not. Okay, now. So your time starts now. So your time starts now, guys. So please solve. Please comment if it is clear. Please comment if the questions are clear to you, if you are able to understand. Okay. See, based on your comment only, I will be doing the next session. Okay. If you are not able to understand, if you're not comfortable, then there is no use of doing another session. So please comment and like the video. Based on that, I will be doing another session. Come on, fast. So if the number is divisible by 36, then the maximum value of a plus b is. So if a number is divisible by 36, then it should and must be divisible by 4 and 9. Okay, fine. So we have another 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sonu, Sarmila, Parth and Akash has given the correct answer. Okay, Sonu, Sarmila, Parth and Akash has given the correct answer, and the Daily Beat has given the wrong answer. Now let us see here. So if a number, if a number is divisible by 36, then it should be divisible by 4 and 9. So let us check with 4, because we only need to look at the last two digit. Okay, now, so what is the possible values of b? So either you keep b is equals to 0, then it will be divisible by 4. Last two digit, if a number is divisible by 4, then the last two digits should be divisible by 4, right? Okay, so either you take 0, or b you take 4, or b you take 8. Okay, so if b is 0, b is 4, b is 8, then this number will be divisible by 4. Okay, fine. We have to find the maximum value of a plus b. Now if this number is divisible by 9, if this number is divisible by 9, then sum of digits will be divisible by 9. Okay, fine. So now we have 5 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus a plus b. Okay, so this should be basically divisible by 9. 5 9 14, 14 4 18 22, 22 plus a plus b by 9. Now let us see the possibility. So if this number should be divisible by 9, then after 22, the next number which will be divisible by 9 is 27, and then 36 and so on. Anyway, when I put v value is 0, then what should I put the value of a? I should put 5. So 25 plus 22 plus 5 will be 27, which will be divisible by 5. Now, if I put the value of b is equals to 4, right? B is equals to 4, then what should I put the value of a? So 22 plus 4 is 26. I should put 1 here. I should put 1 here, right? Okay, I should put 1 here. So b should be 1. Now, if I put the value of b is equals to 8, so 22 plus 8 will be 30, and the next number should be 36. So the value of a I should put 6. So for b is equals to 8, a will be 6. Now, so if we'll add a plus b, 14, a plus b 5, and a plus b 5, right? So the maximum value of a plus b will be 14. Option C will be the correct answer, and let me know if it is clear to you or not, right? So let me know if it is clear to you or not. Come on. So let me know it is clear to you or not, right? Is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? Please comment. If it is clear for everyone, please comment. Is it clear? So I am telling you each and every steps, that how you can look it, how you can solve it. Yes. Please comment fast. Please comment fast, guys, if it is clear, so I can move to the next question. See, even a single student should not leave the session without understanding the content. Okay, fine. Now next problem, question number 9, and it's a question from the topic statistics. Okay, so it's a question from the statistics. Okay, so this part I will leave now. Okay, so this part I will leave now. Fine. So now let us start with question number 9. So this is a statistic question. Come on. So the collection of numbers which comprise the data given below is arranged in ascending order. The median of the data is 12.5. What is the value of n? How many of you do not know what is median? So is there anyone who do not know what is median? Is there anyone who do not know what is median? Please tell me fast. Is there anyone who do not know what is median? Come on. Is there anyone who do not know what is median? 11.5. Sarmila, no, it's wrong answer. This is a question asked in TCS exam. 10 seconds remaining. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this is a question asked in TCS examination. So first understand what is median. So median, okay. Now I will tell you what is median and then I will solve. Okay. Now suppose if we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here number of numbers are odd. Okay. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then my median will become the middle value. So the median will become the middle value. Okay. So the median will become the middle value. Now if we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So here number of numbers is even. Number of numbers is even. Okay. Number of numbers is even. Okay. Now, so median will become, then median will become, then median will become 6 plus 8 by 2. That means it is 14 by 2, 7. Okay. So this is how median will be calculated. I hope this is clear for everyone. Now I will solve this particular question. Okay. Fine. So here we have 3, 7, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It is n minus 1. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, so here the median will be, so here the median will be this two middle value. I'm sorry it was n minus 1. I'm sorry it was n minus 1. Okay. Now, the median will be n minus 1 plus 15 divided by 2 and median is given as 12.5. Okay. So n 15 minus 1 will be 14 divided by 2 is equals to 12.5 and n plus 14 is equals to 25. So n will be equal to 25 minus 14 which is nothing but 11. So 11 will be the correct answer. Yes, Kunal, I am doing that. Yes, Kunal, I am doing that only. I am doing that only now. Okay. So now if you tell me, okay. So is this clear? So Kunal. Okay. So this question is clear for everyone. This question is clear for everyone. So this question is clear for everyone. Please hit a like and let me know in the comment section if it is clear for everyone or not. Okay. Now, so median will be nothing but, so we have number of numbers is 8, right? So number of numbers is 8. Then my median will be middle two value. So one is n minus 1 and then 15 divided by 2. N minus 1 plus 15 divided by 2 is equals to 12.5. So n plus 14 by 2 is equals to 12.5. So n plus 14 will be 25. So n will be nothing but 11. Is it clear? Please comment. Is it clear for everyone? Please comment. Okay, please comment. Then only I will move to the next problem. Now, how much percentage is of 0.9? Okay, so for this question, I'm not going to give you the timer. Okay, or let's take 1 minute because this is a good question and many of you will do the mistake. So your time starts now. So let us see how many of you are able to solve. Let's see how many of you are able to solve. Come on. How much percentage is of this? Okay. So I will tell you one easy way to think about this question. So how much percentage is 40 of 80? So that one how you will solve, in the similar way you try to solve this. How much percentage is 40 of 80? How much percentage is 40 of 80? This is one question asked in TCS NQT examination. All the question has been asked in TCS exam. how much percentage is this of 0.9? Okay, so think how much percentage is 4 of 80. So Sonu has given the wrong answer. ABP has given the correct answer. Subham Gupta, correct. Rahul, okay, your time done. Rahul has given, okay, Sarmila has given the correct answer. Okay, now, so if I say this total value is 40, if I say how much percentage is 40 of 80, you will immediately say, sir, 50%. Sir, 50%. How 50%? Because you wrote 40 by 80 into 100. So this is 2 times and this is nothing but 50%. Friends, always go to your basics whenever you have doubt. Always go to your basics whenever you have doubt. The problem will become very, very simple. Trust me, hit a like if the session is useful. Please hit a like if the session is useful. Now, how much percentage is this? So how I will write? So I will write like this: 0.25 percentage of 240 percentage of 1.5 and divided by zero point 0.9. You have to calculate percentage, so multiply by 100. Similar way, exactly similar way, go back to your basics. Okay, very good Akash, very good, yes sir, very good Rahul, and very good Dhanush, all are giving the correct answer now. So and now you see calculation, you see, so one decimal and one decimal will get cancelled. Okay, now what I will do, I will try to remove this decimal. So after decimal, how many digits are there? 1 2 3. So that means after that we have to put 3 decimal down. See, 3 zeros, because after decimal 1 2 3, so 3 zeros we have to bring. And percentage will be what? For the percentage 100 will come. Now for the percentage 100 will come, then 240. So into 240 percentage, for the percentage 100 will come, into 15 and divided by 9 into 100. This is alone we have to solve, and then we will be getting the answer easy. Okay, easy. So 100 and 100 got cancelled. 10 10 got cancelled. 25 4 ja 100 and 4 6 ja 24. Now 15 into 6 will be 90 and here it is 900. So 90 and 90 cancelled basically. So 1 by 10, it's nothing but 0.1. Okay, so option 3 will become the correct answer for this particular problem. If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you do not have any doubt, then please comment, sir, it is clear, and move ahead with the next problem. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear for everyone? Question number 11 for all of you. Okay, so let's see how many of you are able to solve. Your time starts now. So your time starts now. So the last question answer will be, okay, so the last question answer will be point 1. Okay, see, I have given you an example. So 40 of 80. So how will you write? You'll write like this. Similar thing. So it is there. How will you write? So you'll write like this. And then you have to simplify. After simplifying, you are getting point 1. Okay, so you might watch the video later. So the recorded one, you might watch it later. Okay, now, so for this particular problem, your time starts now. And I hope you will be able to solve this. Okay, so I have repeated Nilesh, so I have repeated the previous problem. You can watch. Now this is a actual screenshot of TCS NQT problem for you. The simplest form of equation. Can you solve it? It's a easy problem. In exam, you might feel that this problem is tough, but trust me, this is a very, very easy problem. You have another 32 seconds to solve. Come on. So the simplest form of equation, TCS NQT, option D. Kunal has said option D. Let us see if it is right or wrong. So are you liking the video or not? Hey guys, so we are putting so much effort, you are not even liking the video. So Rahul, yes. Okay, CR Club option D. Paman Sai option 4. Okay, Subham, very good. Sarmila, very good. Dhanus, very good. See, what about others? Okay, now let me try to solve this. Okay, so before I solve this, friends, I wanted to tell you, so if we have a to the power x, to the power y, and to the power z, all the powers will get multiplied. So this will be inserts and indices. So if you get the course, right, so if you get the course, in that course you can see the sorts and indices, right? So there I have covered all those things. Now, so the simplest form of 2, okay, and one more thing I wanted to tell you is square root of x will be x to the power 1 by 2. So this two, see, everyone knows. I'm just writing it so that if someone watching, after some time, then they will be able to recall it. Okay. Now, so here, can I write like this? First, I will break this root. So x to the power minus 2 by 3 and to the power 1 by 2. Okay, I'm not touching other things. I'm not touching other things. Okay, and like this. Now, as I said, a to the power x to the power y to the power z is a to the power xyz. So here x to the power minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 and into 3. So this minus and minus will be plus. So anyway, with minus sign, options are removed. Then 2 and 2 cancelled, 3 and 3 cancelled, x to the power 2 by 3. Such a easy question also will come in TCS NQT. See, all the question will not be easy, but there will be easy problem, difficult problem also we are solving. So one of the question which I have kept it here, so is one of the very difficult problem, okay, which we might not be able to do it today, but this is one of the very good question, very difficult problem, okay, because here we have to think in terms of algebraic equations, okay, and then you have to solve. So we have mixer alligation problem also, okay, so all type of problem is mixed, okay, time and work problem is there, average is there, compound interest is there, simple interest is there, everything I have kept it here for you, okay, so you do not have to worry, you just like the session, and tomorrow also we will plan one session, whatever we are able to do today we will do, and then tomorrow we will plan a session. Okay, now fine, a sum of, see the screenshot taken from the TCS exam, see all these problems, NQT or smart hiring, okay, so it will be useful. Now, so a sum of p minus 500 at 20% per annum compounded annually, so your time starts now. So come on. So let us see how many of you are able to solve this. So a sum of p minus 500 at 20% per annum compounded annually for 2 years is amounted to p plus 3020. What is the value of p? Now you see, so principal is given, rate is given, time is given. Use the formula, amount will be equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. That's all. Based on the formula, you have another 25 seconds to solve. Come on. Based on the formula, do like the session, friends. Do like the session. Don't forget. See, for this session is completely free. Utilize it. And 15th of January should be your day. Okay. So you have to. Okay. Fine. Now option A. Rakesh Kumar. Very good. So option A is the correct answer. Fine. Now let us see. Okay. So a sum of P minus 500. So I will write down the formula. Amount formula I will write it here. Amount will be equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Amount they have given P plus 3020. Okay. Principal. A sum of P minus 500. P minus 500 into 1 plus r, rate they have given 20, 20 by 100, and time they have given 2 years to the power 2. Now 1010 cancel, this is 5 times. Okay, so p plus 3020, and this will come down here, so p minus 500 will be equal to 5 plus 1 6, 6 by 5 square, so that is nothing but 36 by 25. Now we will do the cross multiplication. So 36 into p minus 500 is equals to 25 into p plus 3020. So 36p minus 36 into 5 is 180, double zero, 25p plus, so 3020 into 25. So 25 0 and 5 twos are 10 and 15 and 40 and 60. So this will be 00557. So it will be 75500. Now 36 minus 25, 11p, and this if you'll try to add 005, 853 and 9. Now if we'll try to divide it, so P will be equal to 93500 divided by 11. So 11 8s are 88 and 5 11 5s are 8500. Option A will become the correct answer for this particular problem just based on this formula, and then you will be easily able to do it. Now let me know if it is clear for you or not. Okay, so please let me know. So please let me know if it is clear, if it is clear to you or not. So please let me know if it is clear to you or not. Come on, fast. Come on, guys. So please like the session. Please like the session if you feel it is useful, and your like only I will be able to conduct more session. So if I definitely get motivated by this class, then I will do tomorrow also, I will do reasoning also, I will do. So till your examination the sessions will be keep continuing. Please comment other, what about other people? Thank you, Sarmila. Other people, it is not clear or what? Others, it is not clear or what? Okay, now, so this is a simple interest problem. Simple problem. Your time starts now. Mahindra invested certain amount in a scheme. Mahindra invested certain amount in a scheme for 3 1 by 5 years at 24 1 by 2 percentage simple interest, and the interest amount received is rupees 11,760. For how much more time must he invest his capital to obtain rupees 5880 more interest? Okay, so what you do know, first you calculate the principal because it's a simple interest problem. So simple interest will be equal to PRT by 100. Calculate the principal first. Okay. Once you calculate the principal, then we have to use the same formula for calculating the time. So what happens in exam when you see the length of the question, no, we will be afraid that we will be able to do or not. Okay. So please come on. Okay. So question number 13. Question number 13. Mahindra invested certain amount. So Dhanush, when is smart hiring exam? 13th of January. So when is the smart hiring exam? Many of them has got 13th of January as date. Please let me know. So Mahindra invested certain amount in a scheme for 3.5 years. So time is 3 1 by 5 years. That means 16 by 5 years. Okay, fine. And rate 24 1 by 2 percentage, that is 49 by 2 percentage, no problem. Now simple interest will be equal to what? PRT by 100. Okay, fine. So simple interest is 11,760. Okay, is equals to principal, we have to calculate rate. So rate is 49 by 2, time is 16 by 5, PRT by 100. So 100 you can write it here. Okay, now, so the calculation, no, the calculation will be the main problem in the examination. Okay, the calculation will be the main problem in the examination. So let us try focusing here on, so let us try focusing here on uh, you know calculation. Now you have 49. 49 has a prime factor 7 into 7, right? Because 7 is 7 into 7. So 49 has a prime factor, 7 is a prime number. So this will definitely be divisible by 7. 7 7 ja 49, and 7 16 7 ja 112, and 7 8 ja 56 0. Then again 7 7 2 ja 14, and 7 4 ja 28 0. Okay, now, so now 2 8 times and 8 30 times. So calculation technique you should know. Now principal will be equal to 30 into 5 into 100, which is nothing but 15,000. We got the principal. We got the principal. Okay, fine. Now, once you get the principal, then what they are telling, for how much more time he invest his capital to invest to obtain rupees 588 more interest. Now principal is the, you know, rate you know, okay, time you have to calculate. So again simple interest will be equal to PRT by 100. Okay, so simple interest is what? So they wanted to have interest of 5880. Principal you know 15,000, rate you know 49 by 2, time we have to calculate and divided by 100. Okay, now again 49 is there, so this will be divisible by 7 and this also has to be divisible by 7. Okay, so 7 8s are 56 and 7 4s are, it will be 840, right? So 1010 cancel, 12 7s are 84 and then 2020 cancelled. So this will be, and for 3 5s are and 3 4s are. So the time will be 8 by 5, that means 1 by 6. Calculation plays a very important role in mathematics. Okay, so you all have to learn the calculation in the session. So if you attend the live classes, no, if you attend the live classes now, I will teach you many things. Okay, see, one thing is if either from smart hiring or from NQT, right? So perspective, if you want to crack the examination, then you can go for the courses, right? But this live classes will also help you, because here basically it's a live mock test. That means I'm giving the question, you are solving it. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear now? Is it clear for everyone? Right? So this is the average problem. With this, we will end the session today and tomorrow we will start. Please let me know if it is clear. Everyone, please comment and do like the session, friends. See, if you want me to do a session tomorrow, then do like the video and please comment if it is clear to you or not. I am not able to tell you again and again, right? So your time starts now. Come on. Clear for everyone? The average weight of a group of 70 girls, 75 girls, was calculated as 47 kgs. It was later discovered that the weight of one of the girls was read as 45 kgs, where her actual weight was 25 kgs. What is the actual average weight of the group of 75 girls? You have another 33 seconds. Come on. So you have another 33 seconds. Come on. Option A. Very good, Subham. Yes, Subham, come on. What about others? Everyone, please try to solve. Think that it is a live, mock test which you are doing. So 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and this is 1. Okay, now, so let us see here. Question number 14 is an easy problem. So there is only one formula in average. See, this is also asked in TCS exam. Average will be equal to sum by number. Sarmila, so very good, it's a correct answer. Dhanush also correct. Okay, so average will be equal to sum divided by number. The average weight of 75 girls was calculated as 47 kg. So what will be the sum of, so what will be the sum of 75 girls? So sum will be nothing but average into number, right? Okay, so what will be the total weight? So 75 into 47 is the total weight of the girls. Now it was later discovered the weight of the one girl was read as 45 kg, which is a mistake. So I will remove 45 and I will add her actual weight, that is 25. Okay, and what is the total number of girls? It is 75, because we again have to calculate the average. Okay, so what is the actual average? Now please try to understand a bit. So suppose there are three girls are there. Okay, so suppose there are three girls are there. Okay, and now I read as 20 20 20. So what will be the total weight? So what will be the total weight? Sir, it is 20 plus 20 plus 20. Very good. Okay, now but then somebody said, sir, the last girl weight was 10 kg only, or last girl weight was 5 kg only, but you have added it as 20. No problem, so total is 60. So I will remove which I have added 20 and I will add her actual weight. So that's what I have to do, right? So 45 kg. So 20, 20 and 5 kg, right? See, friends, aptitude, no. Aptitude is nothing but basics. Aptitude is nothing but basics, okay? If your basics are clear, then aptitude is nothing, okay? Now, so same thing I did. So total weight is this, which I had read wrongly, I subtracted and then added her actual weight. Now So you don't have to multiply. I can write like this: 75 into 47 minus 45 minus this is 20 divided by 75. Now we can write this 75 into 45 divided by 75 minus 20 by 75. So 75 75 cancelled. So this will become 45 minus, oh I'm sorry. So this will be 47, right? 47. So this will be 47 minus 20 by 75. So 47 minus this will be 0.26666 and all. So it will be 46.73. So option A will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Okay.